Hello and good morning. Welcome to Wednesdays with Willa. I am your host, Willa White, and this is my weekly podcast show that airs on Wednesday mornings at 10 a.m. Eastern on my Facebook page. This is an opportunity for us to explore things regarding spiritualism, mediumship, healing, faith, family, and more. This is actually the end of year 8 of episodes of Wednesdays with Willa. Year 9 will start in the autumn because I'll be on summer hiatus through the season months. This is a very busy time of year for me. And I have a special treat for you. We're going to highlight a location in Lily Dale so that you can know what to expect when you visit this beautiful, beautiful place. So I'm here at the new Lily Dale Bookstore and Gift Shop, and I'll be interviewing someone who's been very instrumental in getting this set for you all for the summer season. If you're not familiar with Lily Dale, this is a beautiful place. It's the center, the world's largest center for the religion of spiritualism. We have mediumship services, healing services, and lectures and many workshops from people who come from all over the world to be here in the summer. It's a beautiful summer pilgrimage. And I encourage you to look back at past archive videos of Wednesdays with Willa. I have many of the guests that are going to be summer highlights here. You can learn about them and what they'll be teaching here this summer. And you can sign up for the workshops and see the full array of daily events, weekly events, and all the through season events at lilydaleassembly.org. So I'm going to head on in now to our Lily Dale gift shop. I'm going to introduce you to a very special person. So let's see. With us, hello, Heather.
Hello.
Hello, Heather Sisti.
Yes.
You are a wonderful Lily Dale employee. You're the office manager of the Lily Dale Assembly office, and you've been working so diligently in many areas of Lily Dale, but especially to get things set for this year's summer season 2025,
Yes.
the gift shop.
Absolutely. We put a lot of work into it this year. Big changes. Anyone that's been here before will remember it as the Lily Restaurant, or previous, just always a restaurant. And we've kind of changed things up this year. So come on in.
Yeah, great. We're going to get a special tour, folks.
So what we have here, we have when you first walk in, on both sides, we're going to have the gift shop. We do feature, which is the big hit this year, a clearance rack. The center of the gift shop, we have 3 bookshelves, and they're all on clearance, 50% off. So everybody loves that. But you are more than welcome to walk around either side, take a look, see if anything piques your interest. It's all Lily Dale items, basically. Anything that says Lily Dale. We've got our shirts up top there, nicely rolled in the back so you can see them. Those are all new designs this year. And then, of course, behind you, we have the infamous swan. So we have a t-shirt with the swan. We have reusable shopping bags. We have a coffee mug. That is a big hit this year. And then, of course, if you continue on into the gift shop, you'll see our new market. So this is a local company. It's called Strive Market. They're out of, I believe, Buffalo. And it's all prepared food. They come pretty much every day and restock it, so it's fresh and it's delicious. Self-serve. Currently we have the world's smallest menu, but we are updating that, so we're going to get a nice big print so you can see all the prices. Like I said, self-serve. It is credit card only, so you can come in, grab your food, cash out, and be on your way. And then, of course, we have this beautiful seating area. And then always, all around the Lily, we have the outdoor seating.
I know a lot of people enjoy sitting on the screen porch in the summer, chatting with friends, and getting a chance to make new friends.
Absolutely.
That are spiritually minded and really in that space of understanding about mediumship and healing and questing for themselves.
Yes, definitely. One thing I do want to point out to you is we do have, around this big clock, we have all of the events that are happening on a daily basis, according to the time. So you can take a look up here, see what's going on today, and plan your day.
Oh, that's clever.
Yeah, isn't it? Yeah, we thought, well, we didn't have a message board, so we thought we'd do something fun like that.
Yeah, so we can come in here and always know
absolutely
what to expect.
Absolutely.
I just want to make sure people understand when they come into the gift shop, all of the proceeds go to benefit Lily Dale
Correct.
Assembly,
Correct.
and that these are things that are really important to maintain our buildings, maintain our programming, and certainly get the word out about Lily Dale.
Absolutely, yes, yes. And, stop in, grab something to eat, grab some merch. It's like a Cracker Barrel. You can't eat without shopping, And you get the merch and you wear it around and people will ask you, where's Lily Dale? And it gives you a story to tell them.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You can tell them about a reading you had, a healing you had, or just that understanding that you had of spirit and wanting to promote this and to help people so that they can have the comfort on their path, the healing on their path.
Definitely.
And Lily Dale is very
And
special
just
for
explain
that.
to them the energy when you walk in, because it's something different than you've never experienced before.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, we're so glad that we have this new area to enjoy. And as you can tell, Heather's put a lot of time and energy into this, along with her crew that are getting things ready for the Lily Dale summer season. We're so grateful. Some other things we wanted to quick mention. If you're looking for other food, there is the Pagoda.
Correct.
And there is also Sacred Grounds, and that's a coffee shop. And so you can find different food there as well. But
Absolutely.
Lily Dale still wanted to provide an option for you to be able to eat here at the cafeteria, or to take your food to different parts of the grounds. We do have picnic areas for people to eat at and to enjoy. Other things I thought we should mention real quick for people who are wanting to come and stay in Lily Dale. Can you tell them a little bit about what kind of accommodations they could expect here?
Absolutely. Well, this year we are only offering our lodging in our Maplewood Hotel. Our Leolin is only for large parties, so that is still available, but it's a large party. You would rent out the entire hotel. So we have the Maplewood, which is located just behind us. And then, of course, we have our guest houses throughout the grounds, quite a few of them. If you're interested, you can just go to our website, click on where to stay in Lily Dale, and it'll list everything for you.
Yeah, so go to lilydaleassembly.org, and all of that information will be there for you. Depending on what kind of accommodations they have, the guest houses allow for guest privileges in kitchen. Some are just a coffee porch only.
Correct.
So you need to read through that and also see what availability people have.
Yes, we have booked up pretty fast for this season. So definitely give us a call. You can call the Maplewood or you can call the office and we can take care of you.
Right. And so some people are coming for the day. Some people are coming for the week.
Yes.
Some people are coming for the season. And there are different gate prices for those things. You can also find that on the lilydaleassembly.org website. When you arrive at Lily Dale, there's a gatehouse that you'll check in, get your ticket at, and then you can go to the different places in Lily Dale. Those come with your ticket pass, except for the extras that are always noted, whether they be workshops or other things, other events that are going on in Lily Dale during the summer season. And just so people are also oriented, in terms of finding a medium here in Lily Dale, I always tell people it's best to schedule in advance.
Absolutely.
Myself, I'm booked up for the whole summer season, and some other mediums are as well. So you need to check. Find a medium is the tab that you can go to at lilydaleassembly.org.
We also have, come with me,
Here we go, folks.
this year, inside the catalogs, we have a beautiful map. But on the map is also the registered mediums. So if you've come here and you haven't made an appointment, you can get this map separate from the catalog if you already have one. Or like I said, it's in the center of the catalog, and it lists all the registered mediums, so you can reach out and hopefully get a last minute appointment.
Yes.
Yes.
And a good way to do that is, sometimes in their messaging on their phone or on their website, they'll explain that they're either booked up or they have availability. Please don't expect that just because you're here in Lily Dale, you will necessarily get a reading.
Right.
There's no guarantee that someone will be available, especially on very busy days. You could go around and see if someone has an open sign up, and then if you look for the places that have the person's name with medium, those are the only ones that are registered to do readings here on the Lily Dale grounds. And then you can sign up if they have a sign up sheet. If it says fully booked, they are.
Yes.
So please know that you can make your appointments for off season as well. Many mediums do Zoom and phone sessions. So if you weren't able to get in-person reading with the medium of your choice, you can certainly try for the off-season.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So those are things that are opportunities. And, I know that 2025 we have so many events that are coming in. We're going to have the monks, the Tibetan monks will be here.
Yes. And this year the director of the monks is coming.
Really?
It's a female.
Okay.
So she's coming down. She's going to spend the entire time with them. So that's a real treat. Their boss.
Yeah, the boss is here.
Yes.
As they make a sand mandala and sing and chant for us and pray things into our world and into Lily Dale. Yep. And it's a big reason why we're all here. I do notice that there's the ATM here.
There is, yes.
So there will be one here and also at the hotel.
And at the Maplewood, yes.
All right, so this is where you can get cash if you need to, because many locations in Lily Dale do not accept cards.
Correct.
And so you need to be prepared with money when you come, or use one of the ATMs that's here in the Lily Dale gift shop or at the Maplewood Hotel. What are some other things that you think? I know we covered a lot of ground there.
We did. We covered a lot. Basically, just come on down. Take a look, see what you're drawn to. There have been a lot of little changes. This is our biggest change. We're hoping that people will welcome it with open arms.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, and make sure we highlighted this and let you know what you can expect from this summer from the Lily Dale. What would normally have been the cafeteria or cafe area, slight change. You'll still be able to get food here, but it is a beautiful gift shop, and the prior bookstore area is no longer going to be used for that, especially for the summer. So just be aware when you come to Lily Dale, little change to those things. And we certainly welcome you for the 2025 season. It starts this Friday, June 20th, and it runs until Sunday, August 31st. And that particular weekend, there'll be a fun fest as well. So there's something to do every minute of the day here in Lily Dale, or you can just enjoy sitting by the lake or walking through the beautiful woods. And I have other episodes that I've done that, especially the 10 things to know before visiting Lily Dale, or the 10 things to know before having a reading. Those things I'll have posted on my Facebook site, which is Willa White Medium. And this will also go out on the Lily Dale Assembly Facebook page as well as YouTube channel, and that will help you educate and know what to expect when you come here to Lily Dale this summer. Thanks everyone for tuning in, and I'll probably check in at different points throughout the summer, but the Wednesdays with Willa podcast will be on hiatus until this autumn when things calm down a little bit here. All right, everyone, thanks so much, and please let us know that you like these shows. Please like and share and subscribe and stay in the mix with us, because we really appreciate each and every one of you. God bless. Bye-bye.